Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gale from Disney Pixar's Elemental. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing 2 circles for the eyes. And let's keep them pretty close together like this. Next, let's add the eyelashes. Let's add a curved V shape coming from the top. And then a smaller one underneath. And now color both of these in black. Next, let's move inside each eye and let's add another smaller circle. And then another circle inside this one. And let's color the inside circles in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop up and add the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. Then for the inside, let's bring it up. And then a bumpy line all the way over to the end. Next, let's hop down and draw the nose. Let's start in the center, and then let's draw a curve out to the right and bring it back in. Now underneath, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a large U-shaped curve across. And then a large curve underneath for the shape of the mouth. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 curves going outwards. And then another set. And then one more, but bring it up at the ends. And now let's do the same thing on the bottom. And lastly, let's add the tongue. On top of the bottom row, let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out on both sides. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the eyebrows in the center and let's draw a curve out and up on the left. And let's do the same on the right, but this time let's add 2 bumps. Now before continuing the hair, let's move down and draw the shape of the face. On the left, let's draw a wavy, bumpy line down, stopping around the eye level. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's add another bump and point out. And now from this point, we're going to curve it all the way underneath the mouth. So let's draw a bumpy line all the way back down towards the center. And the same on the right side. Now let's hop back up and finish drawing the hair. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve up. Then 2 bumps on the right. Then on the left side, let's curve it up and back around. Then let's bring it up towards the center. And let's do the same on the right side. And then to finish off the top, let's draw a curve up and back down. Lastly, let's move inside and let's draw some bumps. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing 2 angles down for the shirt. And then a curve across the bottom to close it off. Now let's move inside and add some details. Let's draw a curve across the top. And then a curve on the top left and the top right. Next, let's add the writing on the shirt. I'm going to write this in black now and change it to yellow later. Let's start by writing the word wind across the top. And then underneath, we're going to write the word breakers. And next for the shirt, let's add some clouds. Let's add one on the top left, and on the right, and then 2 underneath. And lastly, for these bottom ones, let's draw 3 lines going out on the right. And that's it for the shirt. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start on the top left next to the head and let's draw a bumpy line up. And the same thing underneath. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. Next for the hands, let's draw a sideways oval on top here for the thumb. Then let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up and around. And then 2 more fingers in the same way. And lastly, 1 more curve to close it off. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with a wavy line down and in on both sides. And then from the center, let's do the same thing for both legs, coming down to a point. And that's it for Gale. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!